Hello and welcome to Primary Sources. In this short video, we'll spotlight one important source of information for your family history or other research pursuits. Let's go.
The world's largest library, the British Library, houses over 150 million items, including more than 25 million books. For many researchers, the British Library is a source of information and inspiration, as well as education about research. I visited the British Library most recently in early December 2024 to view the exhibits and do some shopping, but not to conduct research on this trip. If I had wanted to access the physical collection, I would have needed a reader pass. This is easy to do, and I've gotten a pass during prior trips. Simply visit the Reader Registration Desk, fill out a form, show identification, smile for the camera, and get your card, which is valid for 1 year. Before making a visit, whether conducting research or not, it's best to check the website for all the basics, such as hours of operation and special exhibits. Most importantly, if you are conducting research, browse the catalog online first in order to make the most of your visit. For genealogists and historians, the wealth of information held by the British Library is, simply put, incalculable. Here are just a few highlights. The electoral registers for England, Scotland, Northern Ireland, and Wales from 1947 onward, with some records available prior to that time. Academic journals on a wide variety of topics. Printed catalogs that have not yet been digitized. Microfilm and microfiche, preserving early English newspapers, pamphlets, books, theatrical playbills, and other items not yet available online. And of course, books. Books, manuscripts, maps, and all manner of printed material. But you don't have to visit London to make the most of the collections of the British Library. The British Library's website is a must-visit site for researchers of every variety. However, due to a devastating cyber attack in October 2023, some online systems and services continue to be disrupted. Please consult the website for the most up-to-date status on the continuing restoration efforts. The British Library is located on Euston Road in London. It's just across from King's Cross and St. Pancrass Stations, and within very easy walking distance from several other underground stations, including Russell Square and Euston. I hope you found this video about the British Library to be helpful to your research. I wish you all the best in your pursuits, and I hope to meet you someday out there in the field or in a library.